you're not going to read that in a book. You can't imagine what it was like to trade for a bank on non-farm payroll day, the big one, the non-farm payroll Friday. Most professional bank traders would like to disappear to the restroom when that comes out, because it is scary. Now, if you make a market on fundamentals, there isn't a price sometimes. You have to make it. Now, of course, as a retail trader sitting at home, you don't have to worry about being a market maker. You're a market user. So we are all privy to the same information. We can all get the same information. It's out there. You can get some sophisticated news reporting tools today. The internet's a wonderful place for information, and you don't have to be a bank to get it these days. But it's how you interpret it. So on our trade rooms, we have the banking systems in there, the Reuters, the Bloombergs, that give us the news maybe a little bit ahead of what you would get at home. And on our trade room, you get that live, and you get it called out to you, and you get instant analysis of it. So if we're lying in wait for, let's say, a consumer confidence number that we thought was going to be very much worse for the dollar, and we were expecting a big retracement, then we'd be able to prep our audience ahead of time, tell them what they should be looking for, shout out the number, whether it was provocative or non-provocative, and if we have a grid that backs up that provocative piece of information that was looking as if it wanted to go in that direction as well, then, as you'll see on a lot of our past trade rooms on the web, we jump into the market off the US data, or off any figures. Now, that isn't a money map way of trading. It's just if a particular grid coincides with a little bit of fundamental data that you then get, which almost acts as a catalyst for what the grid was just waiting for to happen, then you need to know how to analyze the fundamental news.